Is your Bluetooth not working on your Apple Watch? It usually happens due to connection glitches, outdated software, or settings issues. In this video, I'll show you how to solve Bluetooth not working on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Restart Bluetooth. Open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Bluetooth. Make sure to enable the Bluetooth. If you enabled it before, then disable it. Wait for 3 to 5 seconds, and then enable it again. Now try to reconnect your Bluetooth network. Solution 2. Restart Apple Watch. Press and hold the side button for 3 to 5 seconds. Power off slide will appear. Next, tap on the power icon from the top right corner. Slide the power icon from left to right. Now again, press and hold on to the side button for 3 to 5 seconds. Apple logo will appear. Solution 3. Reset your Apple Watch. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Tap Erase all content and settings. It will reset your Apple Watch settings. Solution 4. Check your software update. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app and then tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new update, then download and install the update. After updating, your Apple Watch Bluetooth problem will be solved. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.